Hello, it's Ruby, and today I'm going to finally be sharing with you a university morning routine. This video has been so highly requested, and I'm sorry I'm only just getting around to filming it. So I have actually not been sleeping very well recently, so I'm waking up a little later than usual. Instead of 6, which is the ideal time I'd like to wake up, I usually end up waking up at 7:30. Since I have an 8:30 this morning, I am waking up at 7, and the first thing I will go and do is put on my bed jacket. I just love how old-fashioned it is, and my slippers are from Bowden. I've had these for about 4 or 5 years now. Then I will put on some classical music on Spotify and I will make my bed. I really love to make my bed first thing in the morning because it just starts my day off on a really good foot. Then I will do 40 sit-ups. This is just a good way for me to get my body moving in the morning. I personally find it's a really good way to start my day. And then I will pick up my hot water bottles and go and fill them up because I get very, very cold and it is freezing in England at the moment. So this is an essential part of my morning, and at the same time, whilst I'm waiting for the kettle to boil, I will wash my hands and then get started with doing some washing up. I usually leave some of my washing up from the night before, from dinner. Then I will just fill up a mason jar with cold water and I will drink a whole glass of this, and I will also fill up another glass to bring to my bedroom. And here I am filling up my gorgeous Hedwig hot water bottle. I honestly love this hot water bottle so much. When I'm back in my room, I will choose what I'm going to wear today, and since it was really cold, I decided I was actually going to wear a thermal vest underneath my jumper today. It was thermals weather. Then I will head to the bathroom to brush my teeth because of course you always have to brush your teeth in the morning, and I also read at the same time as doing this, but I didn't film any clips of that. So the next thing I like to do is use this Drops of Youth Body Shop facial exfoliator. I've been using this for 2-3 years. It's one of only 2 face products that I use, and I would really recommend it. And I will also have a cold shower because I think it's a really great way to wake you up and get you ready for the day. Hey Google, can you give me my flash news briefing? So then I will go put on my Google Home to give me the news whilst I open the windows to finally let some daylight in. By the way, if you're wondering, today I am wearing this jumper from Bowden and these trousers from Miss Patina with a thermal vest underneath. Then I will go do my hair and get ready, and I'm really sorry for this angle. I thought you could see more of my face than you actually can. I will just put some bobby pins into my hair to keep my fringe that I'm growing out off my face, and I also like to put on some face cream. This is the second face product I use. I will usually put on some concealer as well. Then I will head to the kitchen to get some breakfast, and the first thing I like to do is just rinse out my water bottle before filling it up for my lectures and seminars. This is such an important thing to bring to classes. I think staying hydrated when you're learning is so important, and I find that I concentrate so much better when I have got a water bottle with me. So this morning for breakfast I decided to have a yogurt bowl, so I am using this Alpro coconut yogurt with some frozen mango, some frozen berries and some bananas and peanut butter. I just love yogurt bowls, they are so delicious and really refreshing as well. So then I will just go put my shoes on, put my key on and put my coat on because, as I've said, it is very cold, and it's actually a wonder I'm not wearing my ski jacket today because I usually wear my ski jacket. Then I will just consult this list that I have which details all of the things that I should bring to campus with me depending on what day of the week it is. So since it's Friday, I did packed my laptop and the text that we had to read that week. And then I just packed my bag and head to campus. So after my 8:30 seminar, that finishes at 10:30. This particular day I did go to the gym before heading back home, and this is just because I had a social this evening, so I was going to miss trampolining and I still wanted to get some exercise. So I went to the gym till 11:30 and then I headed back to my room and did some studying. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it and I hope that you have a productive